Me don't want mongrel like one of me because you can't back. So, come mother. Tell him now. This boy come grab me, don't know the boy, me not talk to him. And me never roll, me never quiet. The boy come grab me like I'm a suck your mama pussy. Suck for you. Do I suck me? Your mama pussy. Can you fuck your mama? Do I fuck me? Can you nasty nigga, you know? If I meet that driver bus, I'll turn over and kill you first. I would have turned over this blood clot down and kill you. Are you mash up the world, you know? You know the worst man, me know. Are you kill me, mama? Pussy. Drop me off so I can hug, make your blood clot, see? Go and straight up. I can't buy another room and cuss out your mama pussy. Don't walk with bad dog from blood clot passenger vehicle mongrel. When you're a bad dog, you ever watch a blood clot man who keep bad dog on that? You mark a blood clot sign. Why not? Beware! Pussy! You don't go suck your mother pussy one. You take normal bus and hear your blood clot bad dog. We don't get up and two make monkey name that and fuck you. I'm a Christian, but them are pussy will make Christian come. The boy beat me, I don't know him. I never see him yet to God. And the boy, Miss Lady, hi. You know, so the vagina catch you sometimes just like with the catch you. But when you have got to somebody, essential when your vagina catch you. Don't catch it from a boy, but don't catch it from a insect. Oh, you're not talking to me. You're not talking to me. I'm talking to me. Hello. Hallelujah.